Hello there. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create pages. Okay, so to create pages, you need to go to online store, then pages. Then from here, you will have the option for add pages in the right hand corner. So click on add pages. Let's say I want to add an about us page. Then you can paste your about us page content here. Let's say I want to add an image as well. So here's the image options. Upload a file. Let's say this image. So image uploaded, and to select the image, and I can change the size as well. So let's say I want to use a smaller image, so that's a small size. So there it is, and I can set it visibility date, or I can make it hidden, or I can set it public or visible. Okay, so that's it. Then save it. If you want to add another one more page, then you can create another page. Then let's say if you want to create a FAQ page, so now you can add your FAQ questions, then hit on save. So that's how this page is working. Okay, so that's all for this video. See you in the next one.